In this video, we're going to learn how to take objects created in Tinkercad and import them into Unity. So the first thing I have to do is export it from Tinkercad. I have to take it from Tinkercad. So to do that, I go to the top right over here where it says Export. I click on Export. I make sure that everything in design is selected. Otherwise, it only selects a small piece. Then I go down to .obj, which is an object file. We click on .obj. Now we've downloaded this zip file over here. So I'm going to open the zip file. And you're going to see that because it's a zip file, we need to extract it. So if you do not see the extract all, we need to click compressed folder tools, and then we click extract all. Then we click extract. Now we're going to have these two files here. Now I'm going to open Unity back up. I'm actually going to move my Unity window over a little bit. I still want to be able to see my project folder, but I'm going to want to be able to see my files at the same time. So now I select both files. I can do that by holding Shift and selecting both, or I can use the square selection tool and select both files. After doing that, I simply drag and drop my files right into the asset folder here that's underneath project. So this is where all your assets are. So then you just drag it into the folder. Now I can close these windows. I open up Unity, and you can see here that I have a file called Tinker. Tinkercad automatically names all of its files Tinker. Okay, so now I can drag and drop this Tinker file into my world. Then I'm going to rotate it. So use the rotation tool up here to rotate it to its right orientation. Then I'm going to use the move tool, which is right next to it. And I'm going to try and get it down onto the world. Okay, and since it's a little big, I can also use a scale tool and shrink it down. And again, moving it so it touches the ground. The next thing I want to do is have it so that my character actually runs into the walls. Right now, if I put a character in there, he's going to run right through the walls like they don't even exist. So in order to make it so he can hit the walls, I have to add what's called a mesh collider. To make this easy, I'm going to hold Shift on all of my groupings. If you have 7, 8, 9, 10, you can do this as well. I just have 2 for this particular file. So now I make sure all my groups are selected. I hit Add Component, and I actually just type in Mesh, and the first thing that comes up is the Mesh Collider. So I click on the Mesh Collider, and that's it. Now I should have a Mesh Collider in all of my groups. These are the 3D areas of your particular project. Okay, so underneath Tinker, all your groups should have a Mesh Collider. And that's it. Now when I hit play, my character should be able to walk right into the building. And boom. Cool, huh? Thanks for watching.